There are interesting pieces of information coming about Tesla Gigafactory in Berlin. A new report says Tesla is planning to make 2 million vehicles at Giga Berlin. And also in this video, friends, you are going to see images how Tesla places columns at Giga Berlin. And thanks to our friends Jürgen, Tobias and Albert, we have great images and videos. For example, Tobias and Jürgen sent videos that Tobias's video has short time lapse, 10 times the speed of the placement of column at the drive unit section, and you will also see images of more columns waiting for the drive unit section at Giga Berlin, and then containers that they were building for the workers already get the third floor, and columns building at the body and white, and as well as the paint shop. They started to install wider beams at the paint shop. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. A lot of good information about Tesla Giga Berlin coming now, and if you like our channel, please subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, and please also like this video to show your appreciation of our friends locally from Grünheide who have been sending this information to us, and please share them in social media. I would greatly appreciate that. So a recent report from German media has pointed to a surprisingly optimistic scenario for Tesla and its vehicle manufacturing goals for Europe. According to sources who are reportedly familiar with the electric car makers' plans, Giga Berlin could produce about up to 2 million vehicles per year. That's over twice the output of Volkswagen's Wolfsburg plant, one of the largest automotive production facilities in the industry. So the report was related by German news media outlet Focus.d, which stated that Tesla is expecting to market of about 12 million electric vehicles in Europe, which while Tesla reportedly did not respond to an inquiry from the publication. A 2 million a year run rate would allow the electric car maker to command up to about 16% of Europe's electric car segment. That's a significant part of the electric vehicle pie in the European region, and it will likely benefit Tesla's numbers greatly. However, I thought that Tesla was going to make only 500,000 vehicles at Giga Berlin. Now the talk is about 2 million vehicles a year. This is amazing. So far, Tesla's building applications refer to a target run of 500,000 vehicles per year that I just said. That being said, Gigafactory Berlin is located in a massive plot of land, and coupled with Tesla's battery tech and manufacturing innovations in the recent years, a facility that could produce 500,000 vehicles per year would likely take up only a fraction of the site's overall area. So maybe the 2 million refers to the Phase 2 and Phase 3 of Giga Berlin. Gigafactory Berlin will be built on a 300-hectare plot of land. Don't mix it or confuse it with acres. 300 hectares is much more than 300 acres. After all, which means that there is ample space for other manufacturing-related facilities to be established on the site. Gigafactory Shanghai, for example, is only being built on an 86 hectares area, but the Model 3 and Model Y factory on the site would likely exceed 500,000 vehicles per year when fully ramped. With this in mind, perhaps references to Giga Berlin's 2 million vehicles a year production rate are not too far-fetched. What do you think, friends? Do you think Giga Berlin can do 2 million vehicles a year? I think so. Gigafactory Berlin is expected to start operations next year, with the facility producing the Model Y for the local market. This should give Tesla an edge against competitors in the region, since vehicles that are manufactured in the Grünheide-based plant will be built with Silicon Valley technology and the craftsmanship of Germany's veteran auto industry. This is a pretty formidable combination to beat. Teslas are already excellent vehicles. However, in as much as they lead the pack in terms of technology, there are still areas of improvement that are present in the company's vehicles. During the review of the Model Y back in May, for example, German news publication Spiegel Online argued that the electric crossover, was almost perfect, since its tech and performance are weighted down by its build quality, which still falls behind behind Das Auto. This gap is poised to disappear, however. After all, there is a pretty good chance that the Giga Berlin made Model Y will be built with the same standards and quality as of German automobiles. What do you think, friends, about these things? Let me know, and please keep watching, because you're seeing these videos provided by Jürgen, Albrecht Pictures, and Tobias, another video, and let me know what you think about the current progress. I think I think it was Jürgen who said the time of handshakes is gone when it comes to Giga Berlin, and it's the time for plat speed, the speed of Giga Berlin. I think by the end of September, I expect we will see some shell of the building, which is going to be very exciting. Okay, friends, let me know what you think about these things. Keep watching, and also please subscribe to our channel. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com, and also like this video to show your appreciation of our friends who have sent us this information, as well as please share in social media. That helps all of us tremendously. So keep watching, and let's continue the discussion in the comment section below. God bless you, and take good care of each other.